Hi, my name is Andrew Harmon of POS 500, and I will be doing this presentation on the initiatives and referendums of the Arizona Constitution. The basic definitions of initiative and referendum are as follows. Initiative is the power or opportunity to act or take change before others do. So getting yourself out there ahead of other people. A referendum is a national vote regarding a proposed change to said constitution. How they are created. For an initiative, citizens who want to propose a new law or amendment must first draft the proposed law or amendment. Then they collect signatures from a certain percentage of registered voters. If they collect enough signatures, that proposed law or amendment is placed on the ballot for voters to approve or reject at their next voting session. For a referendum, a law or amendment passed by the legislator is placed on the ballot for voters to approve or reject. This can happen automatically for certain types of laws or amendments. Or citizens can petition to have a law or amendment put to a referendum. Comparing and contrasting of the two between an initiative and referendum. An initiative is a proactive process where the citizens of Arizona propose new laws or amendments. It gives the citizens of Arizona, who are registered voters, a chance to have a voice in their own state governments that affect them on a daily basis, weekly, or yearly basis. And a referendum is a reactive process where citizens approve or reject laws or amendments passed by the legislator and politicians that are in the House and chamber at your state capitals. This creates a type of appeal process so politicians in the government cannot just pass whatever they want without any backlash from the public if it goes against something a big group of people believe in, such as education. Pros and cons. On my pro side, it allows citizens to propose laws or amendments that the legislature may not be willing to consider. It can also be used to address issues that are important to the public, but not to politicians per se. A specific pro for referendums would be that is the first step in adding or taking away amendments, especially in the state of Arizona that has like 200 amendments compared to the US government, which only has 27, I believe, at the moment. On the con side, it can be used by special interest groups to push their own agendas, and the public may not have the expertise to propose effective laws or amendments to counteract or add on to certain things that are withholding something for certain amendments. If certain amendments are passed, then it could create social and cultural divide in the state. So if something's passed that affects a certain group of people more than others, with this day and age, people are going to speak their minds and they're going to combat whatever they can to make sure that everybody is either treated equally or that everybody is getting the fair treatment. So, how they support direct democracy. The Arizona Constitution includes provisions for initiatives and referendums as a way to support direct democracy. The definition of direct democracy is a form of government in which policies and laws are decided by a majority of those eligible rather than a body of elected representatives. So, in other words, you don't just have people you vote into office go up there and put in amendments in what you call your best interest. You and a group of people can go out and get signatures on something you believe in and what can affect a whole community in a good way that you think it is, and other people can combat that if they think it's a bad idea. 19 out of our 50 states have direct democracy. So that's less than 40% of our states have a direct democracy. These provisions allow citizens to propose and approve laws and amendments, giving them a direct role in the legislative process. This is in contrast to a representative democracy where citizens, like I said before, elect representatives to make legislative decisions on their behalf. By including initiatives and referendums into its constitution, Arizona gives its citizens a direct voice in their government. Thank you.